The Bissell Spotbot. The Bissell Spotbot. A lot of this stuff is just common sense. You've got your electric cord wrap. A few things that you need to know is the power and the done is not a button that just tells you what's going on. You've got quick clean, deep clean, and hose tool. If you want to stop the process, you hit stop. Quick clean is when you're using the brushes on here, and it's going to clean for 3 minutes and then stop. It's going to spray, suck, brush, all that good stuff for 3 minutes. Then you're going to go to deep clean if you've got a really bad stain, and it goes for 6 minutes. Over here on the side, you have a button right here. Push to remove this. This comes out. You've got a deep cleaning brush, a scrubbing brush. Goes on like this, and then you pull the trigger to make it spray. Don't pull the trigger and all it does is suck. Over here on the side, this just lifts up. This is your dirty water. It tells you when it's full. The handle to carry it is right here. The cleaner that you want to use in this, you want to make sure that it's made for the portable kind. Right here it shows there's a circle and a line through the stand-up cleaner. Then the portable has got to where you know that's the one you're fixing to use it for. I don't know why that you have to use it differently, but that's what it says to do, or you could mess up your machine and void the warranty. This machine came with an antibacterial deep cleaning, say 2-in-1 formula cleans and controls odor causing bacteria. We're going to go over to the sink. We're going to put regular hot water from the sink in here until it's full to that line. We're going to come over and add some of this until it comes up to that line. We're going to pour this in until it gets up to the full line. Didn't take much. Put our cap back on. That's all there is to this machine. So you pick one of these up on Amazon. There'll be a link in the description box down below. I'm fixing to go use it, clean a few stains. Check out the playlist. I believe you're going to enjoy it. See how this thing does in action. So y'all, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one now, and you come back.